Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the BioDigital in this activity tour of the skeletal system. Down here is where all of the instructions are, and I'm going to walk you through all of the steps. So first, you're going to have to go to BioDigital, log back in, and go to your dashboard. This way we can access our human model that we made last time. Right here is the human model. You're going to press on the three dots right here, right next to it, and click on Edit in Studio. This is going to take you back to your human model, and now we're going to duplicate the template. To do this, you can either click on this right here, duplicate this chapter, or you can add a chapter and click on Duplicate Template. Either way will work. Now that we have a duplicated version, we're going to rename it since this is a different chapter we're doing. You're going to click on Edit Text right under, and you're going to rename it 1.2.2 Skeletal System and click Done. Now we can start labeling. These bones listed here are what we have to label onto our human model. So I'm going to show an example of one of them. I'm going to do the skull. Go back to your BioDigital and click on Label, which is here at the top. Click on the part you want to label. And since this doesn't say skull, which is what I'm trying to label, you can rename it by clicking on the one that you want to rename and put skull. Do the same thing for the rest of these bones here, and then you can move on. I'll show you how to use the paint tool with one of these questions down here. This one. It says here, find each section on your 3D human model and color each one using the paint feature. So I'm going to do the cervical spine. Right here, that says you're going to click on paint, which is right next to label. Go to the part that you're going to paint. I'm going to be doing the cervical spine, so here it is. You can choose whichever color you would like. I'm just going to leave it on red, and you're going to click on the parts that you want to paint. And that's it. If you color a wrong part that you want to get rid of, like say I accidentally clicked this, you can go to original color right here, click on that, and it'll go away. You're going to do that for the rest of the spine, and you're going to take a picture and put it here. You can do different colors for each one.